Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Genshin Impact on PC or laptop. So guys, if you're using PC or laptop and Windows 11 or 10 in your laptop or PC, I'll help you how to download and install Genshin Impact on your PC. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys, after doing this you have to open your internet browser. So guys, now you can see I have opened my Google Chrome here, and guys, after this here you need to search Genshin Impact. So guys, when you have searched this, then guys you will find multiple results here. So guys, simply you have to open first one website, that is official website. So guys, simply you have to open this website here, and guys, now you will see here is the option of PC download. So guys, if you have laptop, you can easily download from PC download. Click on this, and guys you need to wait for some seconds, and guys, now you can see here is the option of download. So guys, simply you have to click on start download. So guys, when you have completely download this Genshin Impact, then guys you will be able to install without any interruption. So guys, go ahead, open your downloads tab. So guys, when you have opened your downloads, you have to open your program option. So guys, as you can see here, you have to open your program tab, and guys you need to open that Genshin Impact. So guys, for example, I have this one. So guys, simply you have to click it, and guys, after opening this you have to install that app easily. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.